Guys, if you have not subscribed to our channel, press the subscribe button, and if you want our latest videos very fast, press this bell icon.
Hello guys, welcome to the new video of Techy Board. In this video, we're gonna unbox the G-Shock watch by Casio. You can see it has a paper box built in, which is not good, and in back it has the model number and the barcode. In front, you can see their logo and G-Shock, and in down Casio. This watch is limited edition. I will give the link to another watches. This watch is out of stock, so I will give the change color watches. Link will be in the description. As you open, you can see a G-Shock and Casio. If you open this, first you will get a watch. This is the G-Shock limited edition watch. We will keep this aside. And if you open this box, you can pull this out, and it has a paper, and in down, if you keep this box aside, you can see a book by Casio, model number and the user's guide. It's very long, I have to see, and this is the warranty card, and you have the instruction how to take this out. And if you come to this watch, it is a very good limited edition watch. You can see the watch white color. This is the white color watch. Here you can see the G-Shock branding, and this is the watch display. It has a good glass. The body is very hard, and in back you can see red color and blue color with white. It is a very good combination. And in back it has a steel. It has 200 meter water resistance, and this is the removable badge. You can remove this, as you can see in the instructions, and it has red color and blue color, and you can see the buttons. They are red color buttons, which is a very nice combination of color. And now if you see this watch in front, you can see Casio by G-Shock. Here is the world time. Here you can set other time, and if you press your reverse, the light blink. You cannot see in the morning. The light is very powerful than other watches. And here you can adjust time, and here you can change the mode, stopwatch mode, timer mode, and many other mode. So guys, if you like this unboxing, give this video a like.